ZTEK.
We're just getting able a little share right there, just a quick little bit gain. Tell me, you guys, if you guys able to see it now. This YouTube game is not fun. When you bump into problem, this is my first time see that some people were not able to see. Good morning, Nona. Yeah, some people cannot see us earlier, so we had to restart the stream. So I did not know how many people can be back. So TOS pre-market access, right? You gotta have this, right? Go click on here and click on TIF, right? Find TIF and click on OK. Move it over on this side. And once you have TIF, you change this to EXT and you're able to trade pre-market. But yeah. Yeah, maybe the shark eat the cable again, you know? Or maybe I talk bad about Ross too much and fuck. Okay, shit. Okay. Damn it. I swear. But yeah, some people say you cannot see. Okay. The market about to be open. I'm not gonna restart the stream. So nah.
ZTEK.
Okay. YouTube studio. It's maybe YouTube issue or yeah, whatever. So maybe you guys I'm gonna leave it and it's I don't know what to say. So but yeah, if you guys cannot see me, that's fine. That's actually not fine for you guys, but yeah, I don't know what else to do. You know, I restart the stream, so I did not know what else to do. So if you guys cannot see me, I'm sorry about that. But I continually have to kind of continue trading. The market about to be open, so I'm gonna be active. I don't have time out there to keep fixing this issue. So far we up by $230 on CELZ and
RZLT.
up by $176 on LBPS. Again, we're gonna try to we have some share to short on LBPS and we have 10,000 share to short on MULN. Doesn't mean I'm gonna short them. It just means it's out there for if I want to short. And yesterday we lost money on shorting MULN a little bit, but we did not do anything crazy. So on the short side, we're still positive. Long side so far today look like CELZ can look really, really strong. Yeah, some people say they can see me in incognition mode. Yeah, some people say they can see me in incognition mode, so maybe try that. I don't know. You know, I already tried my best to restart the stream once, and it seemed like we dropped a lot of viewer. We dropped like half of them. I think we got 38, and now we got 18, and probably some of them can't even see us right now. There's probably some issue going on at YouTube, or I did not know. I already tried to restart stream once, so I don't think it's my end. Yeah, if some of you are able to see it and some of you not, so okay. Okay, I'm gonna put everything back today because we're gonna wait 30 seconds away. Goal again, gonna aim for 2K only, not gonna aim for something crazy. So just in case I don't size in crazy, just note in mind that CELZ was a artificial volume stock that we got some big guru trade earlier, so just gotta be careful on that part.
ZTEK.
Hot level for 420. 420 is hot level up.
LBPS. RZLT. RZLT.
420 is hot level up. Is it gonna get there? It's opened up the range quite a bit. Let's see how it is on the way down though. Here come on the way down. Not doing anything on it yet. I was thinking to buy because the thing is, but it's if I buy anywhere now, it's not 100% my strategy. It's only like 65 to 70% win if I buy anywhere in this range right now on the first candle. That's for some people consider high profitability range, but for me, it's a little bit riskier on slow market. The volume on it is crazy. It's 4 million already. So yeah, it's really crazy right now for the volume wise to have this much in one freaking candle, man. I'm hesitating.
Cracks.
I don't know. Too much volume push up like that. I
LBPS.
did not know when that volume can
CELZ.
unload, you know. Halt level is 438. It don't feel like it gonna halt, but the range is not opening up enough for it to halt. It's just for me right now, the first candle is a little bit worrisome. We got in at not exact spot. It could bounce, could tank. I don't know right now. I'm a little bit worried. It's just FOMO kicking in. That's why I bought that dip right there. It's not 100% my strategy. Like again, I'm gonna try to rebuy it back in here. Didn't feel. So we only got 2,000 share left. We not try to aim. It could go up, tank. Could go up, down. I don't know. Right now, the first candle is really hard. I'm just trying to sell it when I go up and buy dip if it's going down. Look at the volume. That's too much volume for me to like. Oh, I don't know how it can react. Just slow bounce. Nothing like literally we didn't get anything, make money off of that trade. It's just FOMO buy-in. When I FOMO buy-in like that, it's not good. This next dip right here, if it dip, it feel better, but I gotta find the bottom again. The first red candle like that on a big run like that, normally a lot of time it have a second big red candle again. That's why I say it's not a great buy. That's why I'll FOMO a little bit. Okay, here's good. More decent. I'm holding a little bit right here. I'm just gonna sell it if it's going up. Yeah, that second buy is perfect my strategy. The first buy I just don't feel comfortable. Even though we could have made money and just held it a little bit, but the first buy was not my strategy at all for that first red candle on the thing. I could easily lose money on that first buy. That's why I was like, I don't feel comfortable. It was just FOMO buy. This one is not FOMO at all. This one I'm still holding 2,000 share. Not if it go down, I'm gonna sell into. If I see pressure, then I'm gonna rebuy back in. I'm gonna sell down and rebuy back in. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Oh God. Oh man, I forgot to change my order. I changed to 1,000. God. Okay. Good.
CELZ.
Okay, there we go. Oh, geez. I tried to buy a lot of share. Didn't feel much. Okay, I'm still got room to add though. I'm gonna put the order out if it's going up. I try to buy a lot of share, like 15, 20,000 right there. Okay, I'm gonna take out that sell. I got 5,000 share left. Let's see. I'm gonna spread it out. If you guys rewatch the play, I sold into that 60 level because I feel it can crack back down. I tried to rebuy back at 55. It didn't fill me. I canceled my order right away and tried to buy back in, but I got bad feel the first time. But the thing is, it feel like bouncing, so I tried to re-add a lot of share. It did not add all my share. I think I tried to add like 15 or 20k share at one point. It did not feel at all. So right now we only got 4,000 share left, which is not much at all. Try to buy back in right now. I'm just trying to play the range that it's having right now. Right now, if you look before, the stock kind of stuck in the range. So that's why I'm keep rebuying the dip and sell as it going up. We did not have much share. We only have what? I thought we buy 5,000 on that dip just now, but we didn't. It's only 1,000. I'm waiting though. I'm waiting. We only have 4,000 share left, so I'm not too hurried. It feels like I can have bigger bounce anytime soon. That's why I'm not too worried. It just feel like that. But but it could tank.
CELZ.
I'm waiting for to see where the bottom is before I try to buy. If it crack, the only thing is I'm a little bit worried is it cracked too fast to the VWAP. That's the only thing that make me worry. Remember, I told you guys I hate the VWAP. I hate the VWAP for especially for modeling like that, because if you have big crack, it can have panic, and that's the only thing I'm scared of. If it touched the VWAP, that's the only thing I'm scared of right now. As of this moment, if it touched the VWAP, I had to cut loss. But it feels like the bounce is supposed to come soon. I just don't know when.
RZLT.
It just feel like it. Okay, I'm getting rid of some. 2,000 share. It's just, okay, that time it didn't, if it touched the VWAP right there, you guys would see me control V and exit. If it's not near the VWAP, I would add a lot more share, but it's just like at the VWAP level. And again, I told you guys, I hate VWAP level. Like, especially right in the morning of the day, if the stock get to the VWAP, it most likely gonna, I'm not saying 100% of the time, a lot of time it gonna crack the VWAP, and I have to get out. If that's the case, and just take the big loss. If that cracked the VWAP, that would be a big loss. We only got 3,000 share left. That's why we had to keep buy and sell, buy and sell. How much? I don't even know how much I'm up. We got 3,200 share left. I told you, okay, we only up by, not too bad, we up. We still up. Oh, we're cracking. Okay. I'm just checking to see how it responds to this VWAP level. I'm not adding. If you crack the VWAP where I feel like you're going to crack the VWAP, I'm going to sell within the people. Whoever, I'm going to panic out too. If it cracked the VWAP. But so far it look okay. If I feel like there's a crack going, I'm selling in the thing. But I'm still holding my 3,000 shares. It's only 3,000 shares, so it's not too biggie right now. Oh, people saying the same for other channel too? Okay, that's great. Ooh, we tried to buy it right there. We didn't. It doesn't feel like it can crack. Sometimes it's all depend, right? You guys saw me try to buy even though with the VWAP crack. But the thing is, sometimes I would sell. It's just all depend. That moment right there, it doesn't feel like it will have a big crack like yesterday. Yesterday, right? You guys see me, GME. I would sell into that VWAP crack. But it just all depend on situation. That's why it's like, I cannot tell you guys the exact strategy at every single moment, right? Every single moment is not the same for every single moment, because the thing is I trade different for every single stock out there on every single day. It's just all depend on level 2. If you guys replay that just now, that I did try to buy at the VWAP for 6,000, I know, at 330, at 6,000 share, even though it cracked the VWAP, right? But because the thing is, it just feel like it's just a quick crack and bounce. That's why I try to buy there. It's all depend. It's literally all depend. You know, it's literally all depend. NRSN. Oh, MUN, we were not watching it earlier. Too short it.
LBPS. CEI.
NRSN. Yeah, NRSN is volume is not there yet. It just got back. It's chilling near VWAP. So what is it? LBPS could halt level 577. Oh, yep, exactly, halted. I say it could halt. It looked like it looked like the stock that could halt. That's why I say it. I put it right here so you guys can see the hot level for LBPS. I called it out right when it happened too. Like some stock, even though I know that it could halt, right? But it's just me. I'm not a type who buy the the breakout like that. It's not for me.
NRSN.
Yeah, NRSN look good. It's a multi-day runner though, you guys know. And unless actually approaching the high of the other day, so it's not too bad. So I'm gonna put it over here instead of MUN. Let's NRSN.
LFG.
So NRSN. So I can see the other side too. Hey guys, me, right? I'm just looking at the stock that have a lot of volume, because the stock that have a lot of volume is the stock that I can get in and out, you know? MULN. MULN. I did not know if you guys see this, but let me open this up a little bit. You guys can see this right here. It say it opened at 7.7. Oh, you guys can see it, right? Am I blocking? I don't think I'm blocking. 7.7,
RZLT.
7.85. So it's gap up. But this kind of gap up is, how do I say this? Is this, if you consider this as a hot market, this kind of gap up normally have a big run afterward. But if you don't consider this a hot market, right? It could easily
REVG.
touch, okay, my strategy on a super hot market. Here's my strategy on super hot market. If it's super hot market, if it gap up like this, right? I would put an order at 761 or 761, 758, 7. Normally I put like about 3,000 or 4,000 shares 761. And if you, okay, don't do that on Thinkorswim though, because if you do that, it can automatically buy the ask for you, because that's considered, but it's not gonna feel 761. It can feel
CELZ.
whatever the open price at, and it's bad. But I would buy when it dipped down to 761 because it can have a quick wick down, right? And sell, and it can have going back up and do a continuation. That's how normally my
GME.
strategy for a hot market. But I don't know if I'm considered this 100% hot market to do that, but when I feel this super hot market, I do that all the time. That's one of the most profitable dip buy strategy out there for a hot market. This market, I'm not 100% sure. CELZ, I'm really surprised the way it moved today, because maybe it have a lot of volume and thickly traded, but it moved exactly like DPS, DPBS, no, DPRO yesterday. And it bounced much slower than I anticipated. So yeah, bound much slower than I anticipated. Much slower. Try to find fill 3,000 share there. I'm not even sure if it's a great buy. I guess it's a decent buy because it popped back up already. I sold 1,000 share. We still got 2,000. I'm trying to play the range right now, because this stock right here, it doesn't seem strong and it doesn't seem like super weak. It's just in the range. So I'm just I only got 1,000 share left, and I put it out there. If it go up, it will hit my share, and I'm gonna get out. Whatever. But yeah, I only got 1,000 share in it. Basically, I'm playing this range strategy right now on it. I'm putting the sell order out, and if it go up, it hit. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And volume coming in on NRSR. NRSR is still like it's not the hot chick, right? It's not the hot chick of the day, and I don't know. So I'm not too thrilled about it, you know. Just like when you're meeting and not the hot chick, you're not too thrilled about it, right? So just like NRSN, it's okay. It's okay. I mean, it's okay, right? It's okay if there's a desperate situation, you know, but the market is pretty hot. We're not that desperate.
GME. RZLT.
Indication for what is it? LBPS, it's gonna be open at 7.9. And if I see weakness or if I see any big pop up, I'm gonna try to short it. Do I have share to short? Let me see. Oh, I don't have share to short. I thought I did. I thought I borrowed. Oh no, I borrow
NRSN.
RZLT. It's not LBPS. I borrow RZLT. Where's RZLT at? Is this weaker stock? RZLT. RZLT. Oh yeah, that's why I borrow, because on the downtrend. But yeah, we don't have to share the short for LBPS. How many of you guys able to see me, man? Because I don't even know how many of you guys able to see me. Are you guys all able to see me? Probably I should not type. Okay, most of you guys able to see me. Yeah, but the thing is, I wonder, like, I know I probably should ask who cannot see me in the chat. Why would I type in who can see me in the chat? The people who can see me can hear me, you know? So I shouldn't say who can see me. I'm a little bit dumb, okay? Yeah, AMC can be a big day today. AMC and GME. That's why I put in my tag too. I was planning. Look at GME. That's a lot of volume for GME, guys. That's a lot. Look at all the other day. Today is a lot. That's why I put one of the
RZLT.
name GME in the chat because what is it called? Thank you for liking, by the way. But yeah, because I feel like today is a good day to trade GME. It's just because there's so much volume on CELZ. That's why I was distracted.
ZTEK.
Okay, dip buy trader cannot see you here, I guess. NRSN approaching, no. NRSN pushing up.
CELZ.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy volume for GME today. Because I just feel like it because it have big gap down here, multi-day runner, and GME is only good to trade when it have multi-day runner. When the apes is back, that's when you could trade it. You cannot trade it when it on a downtrend. When the ape is back, we can trade GME. Because the ape's gonna start supporting it, but the thing is, I'm not buying it until what is it called? More dip, a lot more dip. NRSR volume come back in, or NRSN volume come back in, approaching the other day high. The other day high go up all the way to 8 though, so it's still got a little bit way to go, but we will see. Same with the CELZ going back up, so it's going back up. LBPS, that's what I'm waiting for too, just to see how it is. LBPS float is 50 million, halt time is 9:30. So 10 minutes halt. It can open up at 9:49, 9:49.04, 9:49.04, and it can gap up to 794. 794. It can gap up to 794. So that's a gap up level that you guys can see. So far, we did not make any trade again yet. We only up by one something, 1 point something K. NRs and I did not look at the level 2, so I'm not feel less confident, right? I told you guys, if I don't look at the level 2 something for a while, I feel less confident because my capability of reading level 2 when it just jump in, because each stock move different. And if I haven't read level 2 for that stock, it doesn't play into my system of catching the bottom. Where's the bottom is at? So yeah, that's my theory. Anyway.
NRSN.
I do trade from support and resistance if it's a big dip. If I'm just buying small dip, it's barely any support anyway, and I'm in and out right away. So it's all depend. Ooh, NRSN hot level at 765. 765 is the hot level. It had to build up there. I didn't know. Do you guys, if you all want to see a level 2 for NRSN, let me know so I can move. Okay, we're gonna not try to catch a bottom. Sin is strong. We only buy 2,000 share. We sell 500 already. We still got 1,000 share left. Yep. Only 500 share left. We got in. We were not aiming for the bottom, but it feels like a good spot to start our initial size, and it turned out to be the bottom. That's why sometimes it's good to like buy the initial size, I guess. I'm gonna try to buy back in at the exact same spot. Oh, 1,500 share didn't fill, but so I'm canceling my order right away. I'm waiting for if it get to that level again. I'm trying to buy back in. Okay, I'm leaving out my order a little bit longer. Okay, it start feeling weird. It's weird feeling. So I'm not there to be support. There we go.
LBPS.
I'm waiting for crack 7. Oh, the other stock open up, but the thing is, I'm stuck in this one right here. I can't look at both. I can look at both, but then I had to cut loss on this one right now, and it seems a little bit riskier on this one. I don't know. Last ad. If it doesn't bounce here, I'm gonna get out. But it feel like it should bounce. I'm gonna spread out my order as it going up. Oh, there's a big ass over there. That's why I'm so scared. I still got 2,500 share left. I'm not gonna add any more on it. I'm trying to buy 1,000 share back on 4,000 share back on what is it called? On what stock is that? Oh no. I'm not trying to sell right away. 1,000 share each time as it going up, back up. The other one I may have to cut loss. I got 2,500 share. I'm not going crazy size share on NRSN. That's the thing. Like if I did not read the level 2 the whole day, I'm feeling a little bit hesitant right now. See, I can't tell the bottom well. Oh man, I missed a dip on LBP thing. I'm gonna cancel this order. Oh man, too much thing going on right now. I'm gonna cancel this order too.
NRSNW.
It going back up. It just have a huge 40k share sell.
CELZ.
If you guys see it at $7, that's why everyone's scared, including me. The 40k share sell order at the $7. That's why everyone's scared. But I only have 1,000 share left, so I'm just letting it play out. LBPS hot level is 915. 915 hot level. I'm trying to get one. It's gonna be really hard tanking. Really hard tanking. I'm not sure where it's gonna bounce, so I'm gonna. Yeah, it's feel really heavy. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna add if it go down more. It feel heavy. I cannot just size in crazy. Yep, I'm going back in for 10,000 share. Just the 10,000 share I just sold. It feel heavy. That's why I get out. I'm gonna add one more 10,000 share, but I did not know when. No. That's not the spot I want to add. It was feeling heavy, so I got in and out right away. So right now I'm trying to sell 1,000 share each. Okay, that thing, I'm gonna get rid of that last 500 share on NRSN. Too many things moving and I'm in all over the place, so I'm not reading correctly. CELZ, we got in at the thing, it feels super heavy, so I'm getting out. So right now I'm
NRSN.
we didn't even trade LBPS. We didn't even trade it at all. I'm gonna looking to add on thing, but it's only 4,000 share left. I was able to get rid of most of it as it pop up, but right now I'm not too worried about it. It doesn't feel too bad, so I'm gonna just hold it for now. Probably our profit and loss is not good today so far. I don't even know where it's at. Yeah, oh no, we still up by 1k, so not too bad.
Correct.
We're just in and out. LBPS 2. We cut loss in our NRSN already. See that?
RZLT.
That's the reason why I don't trade NRSN. One of the main reason. It's just people call out and I got a little bit FOMO right there. Little bit FOMO, to be honest.
RELI.
We only got 2,000 share left on the CELZ. We should sell 1,000 share each time it popping.
FEMY.
Too bad we missed. The big trade was on LBPS, but we missed it because we were watching a bunch of bull crap when it was open. See? Look at okay, watch my video again and look at what I say. If it's the hot market, this thing right here would drop down to 761. And guess where it dropped down? I would put my order at 761 and it's going to pop back up. Watch my video again. Did I or did I not say that? Oh my God. Did I or did I not say that? If it's a hot market, I would normally always do that. That's basically one of the things I do a lot during the hot market. I would buy it exactly where, a little bit above where it closed, and it can go back up. That's what I say. One of the most profitable strategy during a hot market. But it's just because right then, right, I was watching NRSN, and I was not able to, watching LBPS. LBPS hot level down 756. It touched the VWAP. It get me a little bit worried. I was thinking to buy it there, but I'm not. But yeah, I literally called it out right before. I called by almost a cent away. That it can dip down to 7. I would buy at 761 before it even opened. Before it even resume. I say I would do that if it's a hot market. But the thing is, it kind of hot market. But the thing is, I was watching NRSN and I got stuck in it. And it's hard for me to read the level 2 on
RZLT.
LBPS. So I don't feel 100% confident if I don't read the level 2. I'm not going to look at the chart. And my eye was stuck in level 2 on NRSN. And I feel a little bit weak. And I was not able to keep adding. See, that's the reason why people say you can strong hold by using a lot of share. Sure, I could buy a ton of share at the VWAP. But then it could crack, you know? Okay, I try to fill there. Just a small size share. If it crack, I'm going to get out. If it crack 8 or something, I'm going to get out. I'm not strongman holding it. It doesn't feel 100% confident. Okay. It didn't crack. I was trying to play the range again. At the VWAP range that it bounced up off it once. It was bouncing off the VWAP the last time, so I was playing the range. It was not 100% safe strategy. It's just a desperate situation. And again, Like I say, NRSN is not the hot chick of the day.
REVB.
Man, and normally I don't trade a hot chick, you know. Get the best or nothing. But desperate the situation come, I did trade the hot chick a little bit. Hot level 756, when it cracked like this, a lot of time it could halt, so a little bit risky here. Hot level is too close for me, my favorite liking, to buy the dip underneath the VWAP. So I'm going to get out. Not get out, I never get in. I'm not going to get in. 756, it could easily halt. That's the only reason why I'm not buying the dip right now. Because it could halt. Oh, man, I think I talked way too much when the market opened just now. But yeah, freaking NRSN distract me from the other stock. Yeah, on a hot market, right? I normally don't look for continuation. It's new stock pop up every single day, and I'm just focused in that new stock every single day. On a slow market, I would looking for continuation, right? MULN. On a slow market, I would continue watching the continuation because nothing else running, and everyone would looking for like the what run before.
CELZ.
See, hot level 71 right there. I do not know if it's gonna halt or not. I'm really hesitant. Okay, I'm trying to buy. Up, I got in pretty much close to the bottom. 1 cent away from the bottom for whatever it is. For CELZ. We sold 1,000 share already. We got away 2,000 share. We still leave our order, so we go up. Is sold. We got in basically the bottom. We got in at the bottom, so we feel very comfortable right now. See, that's why I don't trade LBPS. That's exactly why I don't trade LBPS underneath VWAP. Okay, I traded it the first time, dipped back to VWAP, right? Because the thing is, what is it called? Here's my theory about trading stock that able to halt. Okay, wait. We're looking for where's the exact bottom for a CELZ right now.
CELZ.
Oh, my scanner says CELZ, so I'm gonna get in. Trust my scanner a little bit to see if it works. My scanner just says CELZ right now. I'm gonna trust it a little bit. Yeah, I trust it. Before, I always trust my scanner. It's just recently I don't trust it. Before, literally, I trade off my scanner all the time. It literally have volume exhaustion, CELZ. So it's just say it. As soon as it say it, I normally buy it. Back in the day. Just recently, I don't do it anymore. Not recently. It's been a while. But back in the day, that's what I want my strategy. Whenever my scanner notify me something, I would buy it. Literally, I would just buy it. I was not even looking at level 200% of the time. I would just buy it. Buy the bid, basically. I was watching the stock, and as soon as the scanner say, I would buy it. Back in the day, not now. Okay, bounce back up when we get out. Yeah, NRSN we lost on it too. We lost 144 bucks.
RZLT.
See, I told you, if it those kind of stock, I'm not strong arming it. You gotta know when you see me, right? Different stock, I'm willing to go crazy share. Some stock, right? I go enough share, and if it's not working out, I'm out. It's depend on what the stock is. No, sorry, Nona. That's one of the thing I cannot give the info on is my scanner criteria. It just so later if I ever become like no, I don't got any way to trade and I cannot read the market anymore, maybe I can jump back to my scanner and trade it. But if anyone trade the same thing as my scanner, I will not make money. So yeah, that's the only reason why I'm keeping the scanner just in case the worst situation come when I'm not become a profitable trader anymore. Maybe I could still trade off my scanner. That's the only thing. That's the only thing I'm holding back because the thing just in case for myself. That's the last backup option. Oh, okay.
REVB.
Market slowed down so far. We up a little bit. Nothing to home run about, but every single thing basically tank. LBPS is open at 734. It's just a tad bit gap down. What time it can be open? LBPS open at... Okay, I gotta make sure this is not a... Okay, it's not a recently IPO, so we good to go. We could buy dip on it if it come to that. It opened at 7.3. That would say... That would say can we try to open at 7.3. $7.3, huh? Okay, 725. That's where it's gonna be open for NRSN. Okay, that means I had to move my order down. 725. It changed to 725 right now. See, that's why I don't buy dip on this kind of stuff that could easily halt down. It's just because the thing is, right now you see it says 725. That is predict where it can be open. And because it can gap down, even if I buy at the exact bottom on that candle, it could gap down, and I don't know where it can gap down. Ooh, my God. I want to buy. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. I have my order out. I have my 4,000 share. I still have... Oh, God. Literally, I still have 3,000 order out. I only feel 1,500. I have my order out all the place where I think it's gonna dip down as much. It's gonna dip down
RZLT.
too, right? And I just that's what I basically a lot of time I do. I have 4,500 ordered out total. Still 3,000 order out left at all the spot where I think it can open. And literally, I show you where I'm putting my order out. And it hit 2 the first time. Oh, I can't even show it. But yeah, basically, I have my order out around here. Yeah. I basically have my order out exactly. This is a spot I have order. I did not know why it did not feel. It wicked down exactly here. I have one order at 709. That one feel on the first time. The second time, it did not go back. When it go back the first time, it did not touch it. It touched it, but it didn't feel. But this time it go back and touch it and it feel. So I have my order out for 4,500 share total. I play this kind of thing a lot during hot market. But yeah, I'm still willing to feel if it filled me right now. I'm willing to feel. I'm not worried. I saw it go down. It's not I didn't see it go down. I'm willing to feel at that spot. It looked decent enough. That's why. It looked decent enough. But yeah, that's one of my other strategy. You know, that strategy is like where I predict it can go down after it opened. It opened at 725, like I told you guys ahead of time, and and what is it? And like I say again, it's gonna go up to what and I place out my order where I think it would dip down to. It dipped down. It say it opened up at 725. I calculate with this much momentum, this how much it's probably gonna dip down. That's basically what's going on in my head. Then I place my order to that level. It's just based off of like how much do I think it will dip with the momentum that it have, downward momentum that it have. Then I place my order ahead of time on that place, and just hopefully I get filled. You know, that's the thing. That's how I place. I rather place the stock after it unhaul. You know, even though downtrend, that stock is the downtrend. You cannot deny this LBPS right now is so weak. Most dip buyer would never touch it. Most dip buyer would never touch it. But for me, I see some meat on the bone. I'm willing to touch it. I feel like there's the meat on the bone, so I'm willing to touch it. We only have 114 share left. Yeah, we see the meat on the bone, and why not? You know, people call it leftover. I call it eatable. We only have 115 share left. We tried to buy 1,500 share there just when it dipped down that level again. Didn't fill, so I cancel it.
REVB.
But the thing is, that strategy, right? Like earlier, I checked to see if just IPO stock, I would never trade it like that strategy if it's a new IPO stock. I have to check to see if the new IPO stock, because literally new IPO stock, not only it did that, right? It would trap me in here, and I got a bunch of share size and just continue tank more. That's the only time I do not trade this strategy, is if it is a new IPO stock. If it's a new IPO stock, that strategy is, because the thing is, I hate new IPO stock because, right? Some people got share buyer compensation. They've been waiting for the stock to be listed public. And once you see the stock pop on a good day, they start to sell a crap low into it and tank the stock. And even though when the stock tanked, they started panicking because they're not a real trader, right? So they see that, hey, might as well take, I'm still profiting. Even though it's dropped this much from the morning, I'm just gonna take my profit. It's gonna go down more. That's how my people work for, like, I think, for the people who like IPO. CELZ, volume dying a lot. I haven't watched it yet because it hasn't created new or low or anything like that. The volume died down and it's stuck in the range, so I cannot really strong arm in it. I told you I trade one stock. I keep trading until it doesn't work, right? CELZ, the one that we make the most money on.
RZLT.
Today, we make the most money on CELZ today, right? But once it's not tradable, I feel like it's not tradable for me anymore. I'm not going in until some dramatic move happen. Then I would look into it. But for now, I'm gonna stay off of CELZ. But so far, we got to our daily goal already. Our daily goal is 2K a day. Make the wifey happy, right? Able to support the family, and we good to go. Not try to aiming for something crazy, especially in this kind of thing, guys. If you guys can help me click the like button, that'd be great. Appreciate it. You know, try to be honest as possible and be transparent as possible. When the stock, I feel like the stock could dip more, I will always tell you guys it could dip more. I'm not the type to say, oh yeah, can it bounce up here or anything like that. If I feel like can it dip, I feel like it's probably gonna dip more, but I'm not 100% sure what I'm gonna do as it dip. You know, I just feel like that. If you feel like dipping, depend on the situation, depend on exactly what level 2 is going to happen, then I'm gonna either sell or buy. Sometimes you see me, I sold into the VWAP. Sometimes you see me, I buy as a cracking VWAP. It just all honestly depend. It just depend on the way the stock move. No one strategy for every single stock. Every single thing move differently.
KODK.
CLZ, look at, I literally tell you, before this even happened, right? Before all this happened, after my first dip buy, remember what I say? What CLZ feel like? The way it trade, it feel like exactly like the PRL yesterday. Look at that. Is that not the exact same chart? Look at that. You know, after the first dip buy, I already feel it's trade exactly like DRPO yesterday. I literally called out to you. Like the bouncing doesn't feel right. So it feel like DRPO, so that's why. That's the only reason why I literally called out, like it feel like the way it trade like it's DRPO yesterday. That's why I'm not confident in it. DRPO in the morning, it started to like do this bull crap right here, right? Just slowly dipping. So that's why I say, yeah, it feel like DRPO yesterday. And after that, I didn't trade it after the dip because I know it feel like we're not strong It feel like we'll crack the VWAP and the bounce can be like, you could have had the hole a little bit more if you're looking for trading it. Crap. What stock was I watching? So,
ZTEK.
That's I literally say as in the morning. The first dip I buy on CELZ, I already feel the momentum. The momentum feel exactly like DRPO yesterday. And look at the volume too. The volume followed exactly DRPO yesterday. Look at that. Volume on this one, right? Really, really, really strong. We feel like crazy volume. 4 million share per candle. Yesterday's like DRPO got like 3 million share per candle, I believe. And all of a sudden, the volume just completely dropped. Look at the volume. It followed kind of almost exact. Literally, crack the VWAP, hold it here for a second, crack low, newer low, crack newer low, and just held it here. Just holding it right now. Look at that. It's almost exactly the same. No stock in the trade exactly the same, but you just had to base off your pattern and the way the stock feel. Right in the morning, I really feel like, oh man, this stock in the trade like DRPO yesterday. So I connect one dot to another dot. You know, it's just like that's how trading is. You basically try to connect the dot, right? You try to find out, well, what's the market telling you today? Like that's basically my thinking about trading a stock. If I feel like it happened again already, I see CLZ stock running like this all the time in the past. That's why I say screen time matters so much. You just had to be in front of the screen over and over, and you will see the pattern happen over and over again. And you just had to trade it. You know, I cannot tell you like this stock trade exactly like that stock because there's so many stock, right? They're probably like 20 to 40 different type of the way the stock moves. So just depend, you know, on the market condition, every single thing, and the type of stock they are, and the float they are. Every single thing can come into play, you know. So you just had to depend, right? If you play game, I play League of Legends. Each character can move different, you know. So each character can play different. So that's how it is. And you had to play it completely different.
CELZ.
REVB volume come in. I didn't even know it moving. Too bad, because it looked like it could be decent volume in the morning earlier when it moved. But now it's a little bit hard. It's at the low of the day. It looked like you're about to crack.
REVB.
And I don't know. Try buy 3,000 share. Okay. It's only field 50 share. I'm canceling my order. Field 50 share, literally. So I'm canceling it. I'm not there too. Field 50 share only.
Again.
See, field 50 share. I'm not too about it. We missing it. We were not watching the scanner. Back in the day, I watched the scanner too much. Now I just focus in the stock that I've been reading the whole day, maybe. Oh, damn it. MULN. It popped back up. Okay. MULN. Man, if MULN able to make another squeeze, oh man, that'd be crazy. Because I'm pretty sure a lot of short are trying to jump in it last couple days. After that big drop that it had, a lot of short are trying to jump in it. A lot. And if able to make another run, oh man. Pretty sure it can make a big squeeze. But it's gonna need so much volume though. It had to be a cult stock. What is it?
LBPS.
What is LBPS at? LBPS. Yeah, volume is dead on LBPS. See, when a volume is dead, you just had to move on, you know? You cannot be there and like menacing about it, right? Like, oh, I miss it. Like, I think, oh, jeez. But yeah. When a volume is dead, it's dead.
PV.
I feel 3,000 shares. There's very small play right now. I'm just spreading it out. If it go up, it go up. I'm not trying to go crazy share on this. If I go crazy share on this underneath the VWAP, you don't see me go crazy share often, unless that stock been like good trending and have good volume in the morning and it at the low, then I would go crazy share. But if it crack VWAP and it just hasn't established trend in the morning yet, I would not go crazy share now. I just buy like barely at almost exact bottom So I'm just holding on to 1,000 share left. 1,062 share left to be exact. Trang. Ok, bọn thằng Gilberto nó chưa đến đâu nha. Okay, I'm just saying. Okay, love you, bye. That was pretty okay morning so far. Been 40 minutes to open. What is it? We got 62 share left on the other thing. I was not watching. Like sometimes I feel like I can gain a little bit money here and there on even over low volume stock. I would do it, but it's just gonna be really hard to get side fill or anything like that. So right now it's pretty dead, guys. Pretty dead. If you guys see anything, call out for me. What is this? What is this? ALLG? Man, why am I not looking at my scanner? Even my scanner say ALLG, right? ALLG. I was not looking at it. Oh, 300 volume too. Halted already. Let's see where it opened. ALLZ. We're gonna check ALZ to see where it opened. ALLG. Open 10 at 10:42. 10:42 gonna be open. Oh, what? Oh no. This is AppMax stock. So probably it's not gonna be exact. We have to look at NASDAQ. Yeah. So whenever this thing doesn't work, right, it's because it's the M stock. If a LUPD, right, LUPD is normally able to read where it can be open as, like LBPS, right? I let you guys know where it can be open at. But if it M halt, it's also NYSE, right? It's NYSE is volatility halt too. It's just from a different exchange. They had different symbol, and that indication is not right. So we don't know where it can be opening at. But the halt time is 10:15:48, so we expect it to be opening at 10:20:58. So we got 2 more minutes, close to 3 minutes left. Yeah, we hit our goal. Daily goal. Oh,
SFET.
Oh my. MULZ, MULN guy, MULN.
RZLT.
Maybe. Yeah, MULN could have it above the above what is it? Closing price already. Yesterday closing price. Man, honestly, even though I have share to short on this stock, right? I really hope that it can do that crazy squeeze. If MULN able to do a crazy squeeze, hot market can come back. Literally, a hot market. This is like semi, right? It's not cold, it's not hot. We got some good volume in the morning, and it's just dead. That's how it been. So right now, if MULN able to bring back the freaking momentum, right? That would be crazy. That would be crazy. If the shorter would be like can lose quite a bit of money if able to bring back momentum. I have shared to short it. It's just I hasn't watching, and I'm not. Since it's been holding good like this, I'm just gonna be in and out shorting it, if anything. ALLG float is, oh man, it's a much higher float. 55 million. Bad taste in my mouth. It's nothing I'm gonna make a home run about, since it have such a high float.
Posh. SFET. LBPS.
I think the great thing about live streaming with you guys, whenever my camera turn on so far, I don't do stupid stuff, you know? When the camera turn off, sometimes I do stupid stuff. And they're like, oh, I'm strong. I hold the market. Nobody watching me. I can trade like a degenerate. It's okay to size in. Nobody watching. But when I trade with you guys, like, let's be smart. People are watching me, you know? I got a face to thing. Oh, we feel 6,000 share. I said dip down right there. We still leaving our order out. This could be a good trade, could be a bad trade. We don't know. We only able to sell, what is it, 1,000 share. It bounced back up right away. We got in the very, very bottom, but it's bounced back up right away. So we're not sure where it's at. Man, we got right at the bottom. You guys think I'm not watching the stock market? I'm watching the stock market, guys. Right now we at negative though. Oh. ALLG opened back up, but we're not going to watch it. We're going to focus in the trade we have. This one we can size in big, so we're not sure. I'm just having my share out there. Oh, there we go. Can cancel some. I got 3,000 share. I'm going to try to get in at the thing. I'm going to leave my order out as it popping back up, but I don't want to strong arm this stock either.
CELZ.
I think 10... Gonna buy here. Oh man, it feel on the down low very, very heavy. So we may have to call this a little bit bigger loss. We got in right at the bottom. That's the first time it dipped, right? First time it dipped, we got right in at the bottom, but then it bounced. We didn't have enough time to sell any of it. Otherwise, if we were able to sell some of it and we keep back in, right, we would be good to go. It's just like we didn't even have time to sell it. As it bouncing back up. So I'm going to have my order out. It bounce. It's a slow mover. I give it a little bit more time, but I'm not going to go crazy. And we... this is stock, right? I don't know if it's going to be a good one to strong arm. Look at DRPO yesterday. It did the exact same thing. I even say it too. DRPO, remember? I told you guys about DRPO.
LFG.
Watch after I'm done with this trade, watch DRPO. I'm going to add in a little bit more if it dipped down more, but beside that, I'm not going to go strong arm this stock. Sometimes I strong arm it, sometimes I'm not. Right now, I'm comfortable, but I'm not like crazy thrilled about it. I'm just comfortable right now. I'm not adding size, I'm not going out. I'm sell 3,000 share right there. The rest I'm holding as it popping back up. Then if I'm able to get out, I get out. We're not trying I cancel my order because I spoke 3,000 share each time, but it go like 5,000. I accidentally have 5,000 share order. I'm gonna held a little bit more as it popping back up more. I'm gonna sell it. We got the bounce. Too bad we didn't get in. The only reason is if it crack. I'm getting out. For thing. Okay, we got. If you replay that trade, just replay that trade, right? Oh man, ALG halt again. I'm not gonna touch it. Two halt in a row is a stock that I never touch until the halt down. No. That's a lie. That's a lie. But 2 halt in a row. Sometime I touch, but most likely I'm not gonna touch it until the halt down. But if you replay that trade again, I got in right at the bottom of this candle right here. It popped back up. I tried to sell some, but I was not able to get out exact. So I got in right at the bottom. I should have clicked flat because it's a very, very negative trend. Very, very negative trend. We got right at the bottom right there at 91. And as it popped back up, right, we didn't sell any. We tried to sell on the ass, but then it popped back up. Then we tried to sell on the ass. We got filled none on the ass. We probably filled 600 share on the SOL side. So we in a bad spot. In the second dip, we're going to dip lower. I already know that coming in. I did not buy right away. We were able to average in here.
LBPS.
Actually, we even try to buy 20,000 share right here. But yeah, it trades exactly like DRPO. Look at DRPO. Look at that. D Pro. Yesterday. Look at yesterday. I literally called it. Like they have this big one. This one come much sooner. So this one come much sooner, and when it like that, it become negative trend. So I don't know. I'm getting out right now. What was the ALG? ALG moved much more than I expected, especially for 55 million share float. We just had to get in and move on.
Cracks.
MULN shortable in TOS? No way, man. Oh, no, it's not. It's not shortable. You hear that? Rejection. Whenever I press a sell, okay, MULN, right? Watch. Sell market. Oh, why is it on? Send, whatever. Right? It doesn't work. So, it's not shortable. Okay, ALG. Right now, we're just waiting for ALG to open. ALG open at what? ALG open at... CELZ is a stock I have to be a little bit more patient with my size. It's just like right now, I have no patience. ALG opening price 10, open now.
ZTEK.
Dang, hot up is 1540, hot down is 1260. I'm not gonna jump in, man. What is there a crazy news just pop out? Anything? I had to do small size share if I want to play this. The range is way too big. This could be a big win or big lose. Hot level 1341. Oh my god, 1341 for hot. I don't know, man. I don't know. I want to buy dip, but it's out of my risk tolerance. Ugh, try to buy dip right there. When it cracked 14.
CELZ.
CLZ, try to fill 5,000 share, didn't fill. Cancel my order. Fill only for 302 share. At 302, so I'm getting out. 302, maybe I held. Nah, I'm getting out. It's only 302. I don't want to look over it. CEI. CEI is a multi-day run. It's too heavy a float, man. It's too heavy a float. I really look at it like, I know the stock. I trade the stock when it was $3 or $4. But too heavy float right now, moving less than 1 cent. I had to go crazy side. The thing is with this stock, right? Okay, it's a swing trade stock. It's not a daily stock. Imagine you had 10,000 share. Okay, 10,000 share, $10,000. Okay?
ALLG.
And if you move for 1 cent, you only make 100. If you move 2 cents, you make 200. So yeah,
RDBX,
and the range for it for the whole
CLEU.
day so far, this range right here is 6 cents. So yeah, it's not in and out kind of stock. So that's why I'm not trading it. I know some people trade it. If you swing trade it, I'm not saying you can't swing trade it, but it's not a day trade stock in my opinion. It day trade stock if you hold it for a little bit longer, maybe like 3 or 4 hours, maybe 2 or 3 hours. But just for like a quick in and out, it's not even worth it. Hot level up for AALG is at 1663. Again, it's really hard for me to trade this stock. I really try to buy dip. If you watch the replay, I try to buy dip exactly at the bottom. I didn't get fill, but even then I buy dip, I would not feel comfortable because the hot level was at 1341 at that time. So yeah, I was not comfortable even to buy dip on that dip right there. So to be honest, I was not comfortable to buy dip. It was just desperate FOMO situation that I buy. And I would try to buy 1,500 share. That could be a big loss, a big win.
LBPS.
To be honest, I had no clue what it's gonna do. Like this one right here is way more riskier. I had to do my increase my risk tolerance for this. Hot market is okay, but cold market, like not 100% hot market like we have now, I could have a big loss on it. Even though I have a 2K winning day right now, like right, it could be easy to become negative 4K if I trade this kind of stock without any cautions. Plus is a little bit higher float stock. I did not know what the news is, because it
ALLG.
must have really great news. Because the thing is, even though it's a little bit higher float, it moved crazy. It moved more than the stock that it was 2 million or 4 million float. Look at CELZ today. It's on CELZ. What's the float? It's only 5 million, and this ALLG stock, even though it's a higher price, it's moved much more than a 5 million float, even though we have 55 million float. So must be a lot of what is it called? A lot, mostly trader trading it right now, not any like
LBPS.
holder trading it or something. Hot down is 1391. The only scare for me is this kind of, remember, if it can halt up, it can halt down. That's
SPKB.
That's the only thing that put a bad taste in my mouth, if anything.
ALLG.
We're gonna try to short MULZ and a little bit right now, just 2,000 share. Just gonna be quick in and out short. If it go down again, just couple cent short. For MULZ, I want it to go up, but don't get me wrong. It feels like you're gonna pull back a little bit before we're going up. So I'm trying to get out at 44 and every single thing. And just move couple cent. So I'm a little bit patient. I short right at the top, 46. Well, not exactly right at the top right now, but yeah. If I only move 1 or 2 cents.
ZTEK. KODK.
Go down, we cover. I told you it's just a couple cent stock. Okay, we cover for a little bit. We only gain short, very small shares. Just getting 2,000 from it. Just a small short. The reason why it's not halting right now, like again, it had to build up. The bid had to be at that level and had to build up for it to halt. That's why you see like even the halt level show like that. Why it's not halting? Because the bid had to build up. It had to hold there for a certain amount of time. Then it halt. Like I think it had to hold there for like 15 seconds or something like that for it to halt. If it just hit it and go back down, it's not gonna halt.
ALLG.
And the halt got move up. Each time it gonna be like slow like that, and the halt gonna continue move up. ALLG. I know like ALG is a hot chick right now, but sometimes you just can't. You just gotta look and not do anything. You know, if you gotta do anything, if you do anything, you may go to jail. She's basically a hot chick. You can just look at. You can't touch. You touch, you go to jail. That's what ALG is to me right now. CELZ, I mean, I told you, like, if it dip enough, if it have enough volume, I would buy it. Here, my scanner just notified me. Oh, see, that's why I don't trade off my scanner. My scanner just notified me, and I tried to buy 3,000 share, like how I would do back in the day if the scanner notify, and just adding slowly. I'm gonna add 1,000 share. I'm play small side to see if my scanner working, and like how I trade back in the day. Okay. Normally, for me, I would not trade that level until it cracked 280 for me. But my scanner notified me, so I try it out just to see how it is. Okay, just to see how it is. Just for the view right now. We'll be looking at it. Oh, nah, ALLG got halted.
LFG.
We can hold a couple minutes for CELZ. My scanner, back in the day, I would add 1,000 share each time it dipped a little bit farther, like this.
CELZ.
But I never go double side, go crazy side. Like how I am right now. If I think it's the bottom, I go crazy size. Back in the day, I would never go crazy size, kind of thing. And just give it a little bit more time. Yeah, CLZ fade down, but literally, when it bounced, it could bounce like, could have a pretty
REI.
good bounce. Could have pretty good bounce. I think that one of the reason why I'm able to trade like
PV.
that back in the day is the scanner. You have to be a little bit more patient with the scanner strategy. My scanner strategy, I have to be like literally
RZLT.
give it like 5 to 10 minutes for it to work out.
LBPS.
But I don't add
RNXT.
crazy. Okay, we're not adding crazy.
AEI.
We're just looking for bigger bounce. Yeah, it could easily fade down. That's why you don't see me strong arm it. Strong arm it mean that I could go like crazy size. You know, I'm not strong arm it. We got small size right now. We're not too worried.
REVB. REI.
We're gonna try to sell it as it going up for profit. See, that's the thing with my scanner strategy. Is it's able to know a little bit bottom, but you just gotta give it time, a little bit time.
Again.
And we got out. We didn't get completely out, but we got out. Most of it. Only 500 share left. 557 share. Call it. Yeah, got a little bit there, like 100. Like $100. It's okay.
ZTEK.
I gotta say, like the scanner strategy, like literally each cent it dip. Normally back in the day, I would have my initial size to be 4,000, right? And each time it dip a little, I add 1,000 share.
CELZ.
And I never go strong arm. They never go like 4,000 share, 4,000 share, 4,000 share. Like how I am with my current strategy. If I were then just now, if it cracked 280, I would do 20,000 share. Then after that, it popped back up a little bit. I sell. And I rebuy back in. And I try to like keep it in the range kind of thing. But it's not my scanner strategy. I would just try to show you guys my scanner strategy a little bit. Like I would buy there and just held it a little bit.
LBPS. Again.
ALLG opening back up time is what?
You.
Remember, guy, don't touch ALLG now. You may go to jail, you know? You may get away with it.
RNXT.
But eventually, they're going to catch you. ALLG is what? Hot time is 10:33:48. So 10:38:48. Normally, and with the NYSE stock, right? It's not gonna go back at exact 5 minutes. Sometimes it's 5 minutes, 2 seconds. Sometimes it's 5 minutes, 3 seconds. Sometimes it's 5 minutes. It's all very range. It's not gonna be exact time for NYSE stock, and ALLG is an NYSE stock. Yeah, bruh. That's my goal, just 2K a day, you know. Back in the day, I'm so greedy. Like when I get 2K a day kind of thing, I would get so upset. Literally, I would get like feel sad. I just feel sad. Like, oh my god. Like, because the thing is, once you got to such a high level where you just, like 1 month, I was making consistently 10K every single day, right? And when that happened, you just feel bad, sad. I tried by 1,000 share there. Didn't feel. I canceled my order right
RZLT.
away because I don't want a second dip to hit that spot. Halt level down is 15 point. Oh no. Okay, thank God. It didn't feel me at 16. Because again, I did not want to be a support at 16. Okay, it feel 449 share. I'm going to held it. And if I cancel my order already, I tried to buy 1,000 share. But yep, there we go. It go up. It pop back up so fast. I didn't even have time to change my share size. I didn't even have time to change my share size. Well, we at the good average right now. We got in basically right at the bottom. We didn't even have changed our share size though. We got out. Oh, not that exact thing. It bounced back up much higher. But yeah, we got in right at the bottom. We didn't feel 1,000 share like how we got. We only feel 449 share. But that's enough. That's a couple hundred right there because the range is so big, right? Too bad we didn't sell it. We were not able to change our share size quick enough to sell it at 17 something. So yeah, hey, that was lucky we didn't get caught, you know. Otherwise, we could be in a big trouble on that one, you know. Nice job, dip trader. Nice job, bro. Nice job. I'm glad people who watching my stream, right, able to make some pretty good money so far, right? Yeah, I guess I should
RZLT.
become a guru now.
ALLG. ZTEK.
Yeah, screen time is everything, man. Remember, the only thing different between me and you is that
ALLG.
I'm Asian and a little bit better looking. But the main thing is screen time.
LBPS.
Just kidding, by the way. Make sure
Cracks.
make sure you guys click the like button for me. That'd be great. Appreciate it, you guys. Nah. The Asian part, I don't, not 100% sure, you know. Hey, I could be black for all you know. Yeah. Don't judge the book by its cover. Hey, look at MULN. I showed it right near the top. Make 50 bucks because I covered too early. Hall level down 1530 something, 39. Just gotta be careful. This is a second dip. Second dip down. I think I'm gonna change my shy share to 500 something. Yeah, what the pho, man? It's so delicious. Pho, man, if you have pho in Vietnam, it's so good. So good.
LFG.
Well, I like the northern pho better. Some people like the southern pho. For me, I like the northern pho. The northern pho is a little bit less
RZLT.
sweet, right? I did not know if you guys probably don't taste it different, but normally the one that in America is the southern pho, and it's a little bit more sweet than my liking. I tried to buy a couple times right there in ALLG. It didn't fill me and pop back up, so I canceled my order a couple times in ALLG. This kind of stock, if I put my order out there, it doesn't fill me right away, I'm gonna have to cancel it. Because the thing is, this kind of stock can easily tank much more on the way back. Yeah. Yeah, Northern Foe is better, man. Northern Foe is the way to go. Well, hey, you never have Northern Foe because have you ever been to Vietnam? That's the only way you can get Northern Pho in America. I mean, in Vietnam, you have to be. Yeah. You have to be in Vietnam to get Northern Pho because the pho in America is all Southern Pho.
RZLT.
Your wife is Asian too, so you hear me? Yeah, my wife is Asian too. Oh, you been to Vietnam?
SJT.
Vietnam is great to visit. It's not a great place to live. Turtle Tower in San Francisco is Northern Pho. Really? Hey, you just probably think it's Northern Pho. If you've never been to North Vietnam, you're not gonna be 100% sure that's a
Cracks.
Northern Pho or not. You know, Northern Pho, you're not gonna taste any sweet in it. You can, we don't have North people, right? We don't eat sweet that much. We don't eat sweet. Like Southern food is more sweet in it. It's just slowly moving right now for ALG. We just we're looking for a couple dip on the way back just then earlier, but I'm too chicken to leave my order out. After the so many stock today got what is it? Got killed after the morning, right? CELZ got killed after the morning run. What other one? What was the other one that we watched? We trade earlier. We make $700 on it. LBPS on a day like today, right? I'm not trying to be a hero because I think so many stocks show that the market today is not that hot. So just from that, I'm not going to be trade recklessly on ALG, even though I should have and make quite a bit of money. But it's just like a sign for me that just be careful out there. After all the drop that we have, right? After it run above the VWAP a little bit, look at the tank after it crack VWAP. So I'm just be careful in all of them. What's the other one? What's the other one?
Mito.
Yeah, my volume exhaustion is my own scanner. That the criteria I created. Hall level up is 1919, guys. Base hit. We already got a base hit in. Now it's just like any money extra we make is welcome money. Money to save up for a rainy day where we stay negative.
CELZ.
I'm gonna try to buy some MULZ if it even feel. It's so thickly traded, so we didn't get fill. Try to buy just 3,000 share, just a small play, but it didn't even fill us. It's already popped back up, as you guys can see right here. My order is out. Yeah, 3,000 share right there. $3,000 share. We're still leaving it out. It seemed like a good spot to have a little bit long hold play. Not long, but like maybe a couple minutes, 5 to 10 minutes play. Yeah. Take too long, cancel it. So I can focus in ALG. I don't want to miss. Hot level 1601 down. What's the news? What was the news on it? Circuit breaker, circuit hot continue up. General Mill post upbeat earning. So it's have good earning. ALG is General Mill. General Mill. That's the thing about trading stock. It's
ALLG.
not all gonna be like funny action all the time. Sometimes we gotta sit in our hand, you know. It's not action all the time, and for me, to sit on my hand is pretty hard. As you guys can see, most of the time I'm trying to trade something. You know, sitting on my hand is very hard. That's why sometimes I try to trade like not A+ setup, like MULN right there. I just try to aim for couple share. You know, I literally try to aim for couple share right there. Cent. And sometimes that caused me to miss out on the stock like ALG. But yeah, ALG hot level up is 20.01. It's so strong
RZLT.
compared to what I expected to do. It's so strong. I didn't expect to do all this, guys. It's pretty strong. But again, we're not going to try to touch it. We're not going to try to touch it until it give us good dip. Good dip. But remember, it can halt up, that means it can halt down. Just saying, you know. That's we got to be careful both way. Halt. If a stock can halt up, don't be surprised when it halt down. And remember, when it halt down, it's always most likely got a gap down. That's the only bad taste in my mouth. And when it halt like that, I can't even get out, you know? I can't even get out. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, no. Not try to sell. Okay. Add a little bit. Try to sell 1,000 share each on the top. I try to buy it more as it dipped to 324, but it didn't fill me at 324. For
ALLG.
We only got 2,000 share left. 1,000 share left. I'm gonna hold that 1,000 share. Just see where it go. Cancel it. I'm gonna put an order out at 329. Maybe it can go up there. Good. Just leave my 1,000 share on MULN. But right now it's underneath VWAP, so that's a long-term hold for me. It's like so many data conflicting right now. It's underneath VWAP, but it hasn't bounced after it's dropping so much already. It hasn't have any real bounce on that downtrend that we have. Look at the 5 minutes. This 3 minutes, it hasn't had any bounce yet, so I think it could bounce. But then it's in underneath VWAP right now, so that's why I normally don't hold for a long time
ALLG.
and just sell it as it go up or sell it as it go down, because I can tell what the momentum gonna do in a short period of time. I don't know how it can play out in the longer term. So that's the thing. That's the only thing that make me hesitate to hold anything long, is because I can predict the momentum in such a short term. Because the thing is, by the way, the level 2 move and every single thing, but all of a sudden new data come out, is underneath VWAP, whatever thing data it is, underneath previous day close, and it become negative thing. So yeah, it's hard. And right now I'm missing out on the ALLG too. It's just slowly grinding back up, and I can't do it. I can't do it, guys. Again, ALLG is like underage, man. Underage. You touch it, you go to jail. Kind of thing. You have to wait, you know. You have to wait for it to be old enough, ripe enough. Then maybe you can go in and out, right? We play hit it and quit it. We don't want to go to jail for it though.
ALLG.
Just kidding. How's it going? We up by 250, so it's not bad. But yeah, even though ALG did all this run, we barely make anything off of it. You know, we just watching it. You know, we're being patient. Wait a little bit longer, it will come to age. That's exactly what we do. We go in and we go out, in, out, you know? So
RZLT.
it's okay if we miss it, you know? You don't want to get caught, go to jail for that ALG, because you could easily get caught in it. You don't know. Last time it get halt, look at where it opened up. It'll gap down when it halt last time. Open up, right? Halt up here, gap down by $1. You got 1,000 share, you automatically negative 1,000 by the time it open up. So yeah, that's what I mean, bro. Okay, MULN looks super weak right now. I'm just gonna get out. Oh shit, I get canceled. I'm just making jokes, guys. It's not like being serious. Why every single thing a day people had to take it so serious? Seriously, man. There's like literally, I every single thing I say, it's just joking around. You know, just try to have some fun. It's not like anything, right? I'm not. Okay, never mind. But yeah, we try to have some fun. Like everyone taking things too serious. Why so serious? You know, that's what jokers say, right? Why so serious? Seriously.
RZLT.
Hey, and it's not like and it's not like I'm saying like the thing. Even I make the age analogy, right? I'm trying to complies with the law, right? It's not like we so go underage. See, that's why I'm not trading LALG. You know, it's not age appropriate. We gotta go for like when it's ready, appropriate. You know. Yeah. People get offended by everything too easy. Seriously.
RZLT.
Some of my joke I only can say to my wife and my close friend. Honestly, I like to joke around a lot, but some of them I know that if I say out loud, it's not gonna be good for me. Okay. Gotta call the wifey. Yeah. What you need. So the 29-inch Y, right? We're gonna get one of those, and we're gonna get one more of the 40-inch Y. 29. Here what you need to get: 129, 140. No, 129, 139, and 119. One of each, if possible. Okay, 129, 139, and 119. And yeah, they all 93 high. And you also want the one that instead of drawer, right? You want the place that just a platform where you can fold clothes and put on top of it. You know what I'm talking about? Not drawer. For the 19 one. For the 19, especially for the 19 one. You just want a platform where you can fold and put clothes in, you know? So become like a box.
CELZ.
The 29 one, actually we need two 29 one. Because one for our bathroom and one for the kid bathroom. Okay, and anything that you want inside of it, you design. You got it? What I'm saying? But I would suggest to get some platform. Okay. Okay. Why? Yeah, my wife is at IKEA right now. We try to design a closet. You know. In school, where you hey, when I was in high school, right? You talking about in high school? I was a clown. No, I was not, man. I can barely speak English. Oh, and I did not know why I was the serious one back in high school. Whenever people make fun of me, well, everyone, okay, just because I'm Asian, right? In high school, everyone think I know karate. Well, I do know some karate, right? But the thing is, it's just assumed. Everyone kind of afraid of me. I'm go to like a 90 something percent white school. It's just in a small town, and everyone think like I'm Jackie Chan or something. And Jackie Chan at that time was popular, so everyone think I was like Jackie Chan or anything, you know. And so everyone scared me, and I'm get so serious. People make fun of me. I would jump over the desk and start choking them and pull them. I did that once when people what is it? I got more calm in the thing over time now. But yeah, ALLG open back up right now. We gotta watch.
LFG.
Hot level is 2283.
LBPS. PAVM.
I'm not sure. It's a Venus bottom? Okay. But whichever one you think is gonna fit. Okay. A contractor asking me some things. I gotta call my wife.
LFG.
A little bit risky now. The hot level is pretty close. 20, 21. It doesn't need a lot of momentum to go down to that level. When people start to see hot level, everyone start to freak out. So that's a little bit I'm scared of to buy the dip. It could be big risk, big reward right now for this stock right here. And ALG, we got to do the thing. I don't make trade after hour, by the way. Try to fill. Oh no, not 1,000 share. Oh man, it's only 500 share. Oh, that's a big loss. I'm gonna get out.
PAVM.
That's a big loss.
Mogo.
I'm still at the hot level, which I normally say I did not do. Man, that's a big loss. We lost big right there. But we're in the hot right now. I'm not too worried about this hot. Normally, actually, I am a little bit worried, but let's see how it play out. It's only 1,000 share. We try to buy back in to try to find the bottom. We got in right at the bottom hot. We got into the hot level basically. But the only thing is we got into the hot level. But the only thing is I did not try to buy 1,000 share there, right? 1,000 share. Where is it? I tried to buy 500 share and maybe even another 500 share. So we got a little bit in the thing, but then we got in such a bad spot and it seemed like in a hot. So I got out and I got back in a hot level because I was FOMO. So right now we're not in a good spot right now. To be honest, we lost a big chunk of our thing right there. We lost $700 right there. That's what happened when you get caught in jail, guys. That's exactly what happened. But I'm willing to add right now
CELZ
because, like I say, I'm much more comfortable to play it after the hot open. Yeah, she's immature. That's
LBPS.
Why. That's caused us to be under our daily goal gain right now. But the thing is, right now I can play aggressive because it's hot down. So it's okay. Here, what I think the level can hold down as. It can hold down to 19 something. I'm guessing 19 something, and can maybe dip down extra. That's why I say this one right here could cause me from positive to negative, which is why I'm not. I don't even know if I should trade it, but yeah, or I should get out or should not even buy back in after I see that. But again, I was emotional because I tried to buy 500 share. I did not know that I was filled for 1,000 share. I forgot to change my share size, even though I told you guys I'm going to change it 500 share. But I guess I did not or something. I did not know why. But so we got caught. We got caught, guys. In jail and in prison. Yeah, it most likely can gap down to 19. That's what I'm thinking. I'm going to try to place my order out to where I think I'm gonna get fill along the way. If it fill me. So let's see. Let's see where I can get in that appropriate. I'm gonna spread out my order to get fill if it dipped down to the level I wanted. This is how I play halt down, and I love halt down before. It's not just, I just don't love it because I'm stuck in it right now. I love it if I'm not stuck in it. I love halt down trading big stock like this. It's much more safer after the halt down, but it's just I'm stuck in it, so it doesn't feel fun right now because basically when it opened up, I'm gonna be down by 1K. That's the only thing not fun about it. But if I'm not stuck in this halt, I would buy. I'm willing to play big. Guys, we're losing. Let's not make today our first negative day on live stream, guys. Let's not make today. Okay, I got 3,000 share at a different level, so I can buy in if possible. We got too impatient. We got too impatient. She was not ready. She was not ready for us. We got too impatient. What time is opening back up? Now I'm 100% have to watch it. We got in right at the bottom, but it's a halt level. Our average right now, if you see, is 1121. Where's our average? Our average. Right here, 2021, exact halt level, man. I didn't even think I should have bought it. I should have got out or click flatten. Yeah.
ZTEK.
On the internet, everyone's so serious.
CELZ.
Yeah, I didn't take her to dinner first. That's inappropriate, you know. Hey, look at my saying before, right? Penny stock, treat penny stock. Okay, I do not know if I should say this. Say this. This may offend some people, you know. Okay, probably not. Not for today. Maybe another day and make another joke. Right now we got stuck in the halt, guys. What's the level? The sucky thing is NYSE stock. I can't even tell what the level it can be opening up at. I feel much more comfortable to buying like spread out the random buy at different level if at the thing.
LFG.
What is it called?
ALGS.
Ooh, I feel.
GAN.
Okay. We're getting out, baby. I got Phil 1,000 share at the level I was want to buy at. We only got 500 share left. So we good to go. We good to go. We good to go, guys. 250. Masa got stuck too. It's a strong one, so I see why. He normally like the panic dip buyer, and that's a completely panic dip. Right there. Oh no, crap. Auto send. Oh god, I hate it. Auto send was not out, so we'd not get it. Otherwise, we should have get out at 2070, which is a great place. We're making back the moolah. We're making back the moolah. Hey, that's why you gotta spread out your order sometime. Too bad our 255 share earlier when we tried to sell was not an exact spot. I told you, it's much more safer to play when the dip open, man.
AEI.
See, that's why I was waiting for the whole time. I told you guys, if you can haul up, it can haul down. And I feel the haul was coming soon enough, but it's just I was impatient and I was just testing the water by 500 share, right? I was testing the water by 500 share here. Here where I buy my 500 share, supposed to buy 500 share, but it filled me 1,000 share, 1,000 share, right? So I got freaked out. I sold it. I feel the momentum change, so I sold it as soon as what is it called? It hit below 21 and it got hauled down. I normally don't buy right here because if I'm not freaked out and buy, I would not buy at the hot level. And it's just because I feel like, what is it called? Revenge trade. That's called revenge trade. So I buy at exact hot level, which is normally I don't buy because normally it could easily gap down. I normally buy after the hot open, which I spread out my order. I spread out my order. I feel like it's gonna gap down to 19, right? So I got one at 1902. I put 1,000 share at 1968 and another 1,000 share at 1868, another 1,000 share at 1843. So I was only able to fill, if that candle is real, it's normally never real. Even though it hit all that level, it only filled me my 1,000 share at 1921. And it didn't fill me my other 2,000 share. If it really filled my 2,000 share, man, that would be big money. But it's not. Yeah, he make back to green last week, but he negative again. Mazda trading is so risky, man. He a great trader. It's just like I think recently he just revamped trade because what is it called? Oh, yesterday he was negative 150. I guess he make back some again. So here's Mazda, right? Oh, he positive back. He up here. He negative 114K, and now he back positive for this year, I guess. But yeah, his trading is pretty risky. You have to have a lot of risk tolerance to trade like the way he does.
NESR.
A lot risk tolerance. Yeah. A lot risk tolerance is too risky
AEI.
for me, right? I know how to like slow down my pedal. Like for me, if a weak market going, I'm not gonna try to aim for a lot, you know. And I just go with like hit my base hit. Where Mazda, he want a home run every time. He able to read it, but then his share size started to go too crazy. So yeah, he's a don't worry. Like I'm not trying to. Mazda, I actually looked up to him. Okay, where Warrior Trading, I think he's a pumper. Mazda, I think he's a good trader, and I did learn something from him. He's not a pumper for sure, but I just feel like he in the cycle of like not getting enough high from his money that he win, especially after last February and March. He was not back to earth yet. Yeah. I'm gonna do a little bit sizing in here. 500 share is not the bottom.
NESR.
Oh, it's gonna halt down again. Don't tell me it's gonna halt down again. I'm not gonna add it. Halt level is 1860 something. Let's not hope it's halt down again. Oh God. Is it gonna halt down? Yeah, it can halt down. I'm not adding. Up, the halt moved down, so I tried to add. It didn't fill me. That's why I hate playing halt, the stock that have halt level like so close right there. But I'm not adding or not selling either. I was trying to add after I see the halt level move down, but then it didn't fill me and it popped back up already. So, but I'm not gonna rebuy back in right now if it dipped to that level. It had to be dip a little bit lower. Like again, this is a position trading one. I don't like to add when I see the halt level like that. 1847 right now. It's kind of risky, you know, because everyone freaked out. It could halt down. But it feel like the bounce. It due for a bounce. It due for a bounce. It just don't know when. And when it bounced, they have much bigger bounce. So that's why I'm willing to play position trading it.
NESR.
I'm basically positioning it right now. Too bad I did not add because the halt level moved down. I'm trying to sell 250 share right now for a loss right there. Holding 250 share so I can add back in 250 share if it dipped down more. Halt level, it seems it hesitant. It don't feel like it's gonna halt, but even though halt level really close, it could easily halt, but it just don't feel like maybe it's probably not gonna halt. But the thing is, the bounce gonna go up. The bounce gonna be big. I just don't know when. Hope, yeah, halt level moved down again. So I'm gonna try to add in position this a little bit. I sold 250 share for a little bit loss already. So now we got a little bit to add. Slowly though. This position trading, so I'm not gonna go crazy share. Where the other one, I think the big bounce coming, then I'm go crazy share. But if I think that it's just gonna be like slowly, I'm gonna take risks off the table and just slow position, small position. I'm willing to add I'm gonna add 125 share at a time. Halt level is moved down already. We don't know where it goes, so we be patient with it. This is more position than anything in the quick dip buy. When position trading, you guys not gonna see me go crazy size share. Earlier on the first dip back, I was trying to position it, but then it dipped way too fast. I cut my loss and I got too big of the size. It's only supposed to be 500 share like right now, right? On the first dip back right here, it's supposed to be only 500 share because I was positioning it. But then I got in 1,000 share and it dipped way too fast, so I had to cut my loss. And here come the bounce. Is it gonna be bounce enough though? I'm still holding it.
ICLK.
I'm gonna try to get 125 share out on the ask and not feeling. We still have a 125 share on the ask. On a little bit higher though. A little bit higher than this. I don't know if you're gonna feel or not. If you go back down, I may have a cut loss. Here you go. We sold. We only got 118 share left. It's very small trade. Because I feel like the bounce it do for a little bit big bounce. That's why I was getting in.
KODK.
But I was not able to add as it dipped down earlier. So it's no big win. We got out right there when it cracked 20. See, that one is more position trading. I sold my other 250 share too early because I was taught it can dip down a little bit more so I can position it down. But then it never dipped to the level. Actually, I was about to add a 125 share to 1871, but I was hesitated. I thought it can crack, but it did not crack for me to add. So yeah, we didn't make anything off of it. We make a little, very little, whatever. But it's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
RZLT.
Ross is the type of dude. Yeah, he could be. I don't know. When go out eat with my friend, right? Like I say, 90% of the time I'm paying. Like I just feel cringe, like because the thing is like for other people to pay for me, even though they richer for me, I feel cringe because like, dude, I can afford the meal. And most of the time I like to treat my friend too. You know, it's nothing big money. It's like is the thing. It's like and especially Lily, my close friend, every time he go out with us, he never had to pay. But it's my close friend. And most of all my friends, we meet up once every month when I was back in Michigan. And I treated them like 90% of the time we go out to eat. Mazda is a sniper. You are a machine gun. Yeah, Mazda is a sniper, but man, he used too much bullet. Like literally, like his sniper power is the punch, man. He used like in a million each position, and like, dude. But the thing is, if he got stuck, he got stuck. He's not gonna able to get out, especially on a weak market.
Again.
Yeah. Mazda's strategy is the reason I get to my peak at one point, because the thing is he what is it called? His strategy, right, during hot market works so well. Literally, you just buy a crap low when you have a big dip and just wait for the bounce, which I do a lot of time when hot market. But for me, again, I have to determine if it's a hot market to do that or not. And I can see the momentum change. I'm a very short-sighted trader. So yeah. What time is it, guys? 11:19. I got a little bit more to go. We almost to 3K, so pretty okay. Pretty okay day. Pretty okay day. ALG, man, I wish I did not get stuck in that halt. I wish I was more patient. Like I say, I should be patient. I got caught, you know. I got caught. They was underage. I got caught.
Mito. ZTEK.
ALZ, I'm still watching.
ALLG.
Put 500 share, it didn't feel. It didn't feel. I was trying to play the range on it. It's a range play. So we tried to play the range on it. It didn't feel, so we cancel our order. Nothing else moving though. Nothing else moving. Yeah. Babe, did they talk to you about the grout? What color do you want for back there? Because you buy 2 color or something. They did not know what color it's supposed to be.
RZLT.
The frost? Okay, okay. Alright, let me tell them. Goodbye. Oh, she says the frost, right? We went through it. Oh, okay. Yeah, we have to mix again. We threw it out because we didn't want it. It had to be dry right away. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, we didn't do a lot. Okay. We took the frost was here. Yeah, she says frost. Yeah. Right. Yeah, that's the one we made. Yeah, that's the one. I did not know what the color is or what should. Yeah. Like I said, we went to the kitchen all day. Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. It's so exciting to wait get this kitchen over. Because it's so much box. The chicken's coming today. Okay, sweet. It's going to box to you guys, right? Okay. I said, the box you guys and give you guys the prices. Okay.
COS.
You guys don't like his price? I don't know. Okay, all right. Like, I have nothing to do with me. Okay. Okay, all right. Thank you. All right. Yeah, the house still in remodeling right now. The kitchen, I mean, I cannot wait until this get done. I'm gonna be trading near my living room, in my living room. That's gonna be my trading setup. Gonna be in my living room. It's gonna be open space and every single thing. The kid gonna be at school all the time, and basically I'm gonna trade every day. The living room open, more open space. I don't have to set up. It's much easier to set up every single thing. I'm still surprised MULN continue to run like day after days. Yeah. I'm gonna do a house tour on during a live stream sometime after it's done. Literally, we demolish every single thing, like every single thing that every corner of the house.
LBPS.
We did, you know, every single corner, literally. Not the outside. The outside look pretty good still, but the inside, every single corner, a house we're gonna do. Every single room, every single thing, you know, we tear basically every single thing down and we build it. It's a pretty older, not super duper old house, but yeah, the lady who lived here, she was pretty old. And the youngest one in our subdivision is 47 years, probably, I'm guessing. Literally, we were at the pool, the subdivision pool the other day. The kid was learning how to swim, and they say, yeah, I'm the youngest one in the subdivision before you guys come. And I'm looking at her, I'm guessing she's like 47. And she's the youngest one in our subdivision. Yeah, our community is pretty old. Like, we live in like a golf course community, and everyone is pretty old. They all retirement or something, you know? How old am I? How old do I look? Dude, I don't think you can get famous on YouTube. If I get famous, right? I'm just gonna post. Day trading is such a like. If you watch all day trader, most of people, right, only day trade for literally a couple months and they got new hobby because 90% of day trader fail, you know? So it's really hard to get big on YouTube in the day trading topic. That's why I like to live stream with you guys like this, right? As day trader, because I am a day trader and I think I'm pretty good at it. But now my YouTube later, when I post video, it's going to be in general idea of day trading and investing overall. Because that's bigger niche. If I stick to like day trading niche, it's gonna be hard because most people are not gonna stay in it. I'm gonna do my niche,
CELZ.
not about strategy wise because it's gonna get boring really fast. But yeah, gonna be general idea. Me, as a 40 years old, I'm what is it called? I'm. Hey, you guys pretty on point, man. 30, 32. Yeah, I'm right in between you guys. 31. That's where I'm at. 31. I just recently turned 31 too. Yeah.
Mogo.
I already got kids. I got what is it called? 2 kids.
Mogo.
Mogos.
ICLK.
Mogos. Is anything worth to look at? Mogo.
ZTEK.
No, volume's not even there.
LBPS. ALLG.
What's HDB mean? But yeah, I live in a golf course community. But like the thing about Florida, oh my God, the community is so big, right? Within my subdivision, right? The overall, right? There's a subdivision I'm living, and the big subdivision, we belong to a big community
CISO.
subdivision that have 10 other community in our size of subdivision. So we live in a gate, like there's a big gate for all the community, and if you want to go in each community, there's another gate kind of thing. Not in our
Nito.
we not in a gate, but so yeah, Florida is so weird. There's so many subdivisions like that. There's a big gate in front for all the community, and literally each community for other one is like so far away.
RZLT.
So yeah. But yeah, like literally, Florida is so weird. I never see that anywhere else except Florida. It's like you in this community already, and there's you, your community, your subdivision is belong to bigger part of the subdivision. That's if to go to whole park subdivision, every single corner, it's gonna take you like 20 minutes. Kind of thing,
HLTH.
if you keep driving around, it's like that. It's weird. It's so weird. It's like a community within a community. I'm in Palm Beach County.
ZTEK. CISO.
Palm Beach County. Yeah, HOA, man. And I'm not used to
ICLK.
HOA much. I live in Michigan. Even though in Michigan, I pay for HOA because we also in a golf course. After that house, I was like, I never live in a community HOA again. But when I come to Florida, everywhere you go have a HOA. So kind of have to. But the HOA here is like 420 per month. But then it's good for me because I hate doing lawn work, and they take care of all the lawn yard work. That's the only thing good about it. When I'm in Michigan, even though I had to pay HOA a golf course, but I also had to do my own yard work. Yeah, yeah, community. Man, you have you in Florida, you kind of have to be in community.
Posh.
Oh yeah, I can't speak for Miami. A lot of people. Okay, the where I'm at right now, people talk trash about Miami. Right? You say Miami, clean, but where I'm at right now, people keep saying, yeah, Miami getting so dirty. Miami is like getting worse now. It become California and that stuff. So I hasn't went down there, right? So I don't know, but that's what everyone say around my community area, like the town I'm at, like everyone say that, like yeah, they started to go down to like is Boca Raton started getting worse and all that. But
Mogo.
yeah, yeah, it's very clean around here. But I hate the traffic, man. The traffic is crazy. If I want to drive here to IKEA, oh my god, I hate driving. I miss driving in Michigan so much. There's no traffic, literally no traffic. But driving here is just, I hate it. Man, driving here make me want to get a Tesla because I heard Tesla, if you
RZLT.
420 is cheap. Cheap. 420 is not cheap, man. Not for me even. Like 420 is like some place. Oh my god, I don't understand how some freaking condos, even the condos, right? You had to pay $695. You're like, what the heck? $695. That's like a rent right there, you know. But yeah, for a condo, $695. But yeah, some other place is much higher HOA than me, you know. The only thing good about this HOA is it do my yard work, which I don't have to. That's the main thing. Back in the day where my parent was living with me in Michigan, they help me do yard work so I don't have to. But now I live by myself. I would hate to do yard work, especially in Michigan. There's so much land. Like our house pretty good, not crazy big, but it's like got 1 acre of land. So 1 acre overall. So there's so much land. You have to do so much yard work if you want to do yard work. And I'm not a type who like get relaxing by doing yard work, man. That's like torture.
GAN. ZTEK.
Yeah, I heard LA is worse, man. But yeah, I was from Michigan, man. So
CISL.
so the traffic in Michigan is basically non-existent. And also, I moved to Texas. I thought Texas traffic was bad, but man, Florida traffic is worse than Texas. It's like, ugh, I just hate it. I hate going on the highway every single time I go fast. Like literally 1 minute later, I had to hit my brake. Like what the heck? And there's no accident or anything like that. You drive in Michigan, you just cruise on 80 the whole way.
RZLT.
You don't even have to hit your brake the whole way. That's made me want to get a Tesla, man, just for the driving thing. Oh well, I got my order in Tesla Cybertruck already, right when it
DSX.
first come out. So I was one of the few people first in line. But that it say that your order is supposed to be ready by 2021, and now 2022. Nothing we have heard about Tesla Cybertruck. That's bull crap, man. That's bullcrap. Like, oh yeah, place your pre-order early access for 2021 Tesla Cybertruck. It's gonna be around only $50,000. But I bet you when it come out, it's gonna be at least like $70,000-$80,000 by the inflation that we have recently. Because even the Model 3 right now, the cheap one is like 40 something thousand dollar. So there's no way the Tesla, like on when it first advertised, the Tesla basic model for a Tesla truck is 40,000. The little bit upgrade is 50,000, and the major upgrade is 70,000. But this rate right now, I don't even know. I was getting I was getting the $50,000 one, but by the time it come out, that $50,000 one, bet you they try to sell for like 70 to 80K at least. I'm driving a Palisade, Hyundai Palisade. Hey, I'm not fancy about the thing, man. Hyundai Palisade, it's like, dude, at that time, every single
RZLT.
thing you had to buy over MSRP, right? Hyundai Palisade, we got such a good deal, dude. When I shopping, my wife like literally we call every single one. That Hyundai Palisade, I think we got for overall 50 something thousand, right? I forgot, but every single other dealership was trying to sell over 10K the MSRP price. Dude, before I get back to the US, I'm so used to, what is it called? Buying under MSRP price by 2 or 3,000. Here, you telling me I had to buy $10,000 above MSRP price. Freaking crazy, you know? But yeah, and in Vietnam, but luckily we were able to call around and get the thing. Vietnam, I was driving what is it called? Hyundai Santa Fe. A Hyundai Santa Fe. Guess how much in Vietnam? A Hyundai Santa Fe. And you can't even buy in Vietnam. Most likely, you're not gonna able to, what is it called? Borrow money. You cannot get a loan to buy a car.
Again.
You basically had to pay the whole thing because loan in Vietnam is super expensive. So normally you have to pay out of your pocket.
RZLT.
Every single thing out of the pocket. Guess how much a Hyundai Santa Fe is in Vietnam?
LBPS.
A Hyundai Santa Fe, right? Okay. Hyundai Santa Fe. In Vietnam. A car like this, right?
LFG.
In America is probably worth like 30 something thousand. In Vietnam, we had to buy for 65,000 cash. You know, it's a Hyundai Santa Fe and it's 65,000. Jesus. Vietnam is crazy. Price wise. But I'm looking to buy a Tesla, honestly, because I'm starting to get impatient waiting for a Tesla Cybertruck because I don't even know at this rate are they ever gonna come out. So I'm thinking to get a Model Y. I don't want to spend a ton of money on a car, right? Because then I have to worry about it. If anything get hit, I have to worry about it. Literally, right? First time we freaking get our what is it called? Our car, the Hyundai Palisade, right? Within 1 week,
HLTH.
my brother-in-law, 12 years younger than us, freaking
LBPS.
push a car into our car and dent the car within the first week. Like, oh my god, you know, dent it within the first week. We got it, and we literally pay like 50 something thousand. Man, car is so expensive nowadays, man. For me, if I buy a car for myself, right, not for my family, I'm just buying a brand new thing for to make a wife happy or whatever. But for me, she's pretty simple too. She doesn't have to be a fancy, crazy brand name car. But still, for me, even for me, if I buy it for myself, I buy a $10,000 car. Honestly, if I buy myself, I buy a good used Honda Accord or a good used Honda. I was thinking even get a good used Lexus i250 for 7,900 the other day. I just want some like car that runnable, right? I don't want to spend a lot of money in car and you have to worry about every single
RZLT.
thing, you know, if you dent it and hit it or whatever. What's the Hyundai price for Santa Fe? Yeah. The market looked like it slowed down to crap already, guys. So I'm probably gonna call it the day. If you guys can help me click the like button, that'd be great. I'm gonna go back stream tomorrow. We didn't hit 10K. We didn't hit 3K today. Today much more slower, and we got caught once on AALG. AALG could be much bigger win, and just because we get caught
GLTO.
after the thing, make us not buy on the dip after the halt down, and yeah. So it was not a great trade on our part on AALG. That could be a bigger winner. I'd be a little bit sad that we only make 700 off of it. Too much risk too. So, wow, 104,000 in Singapore for freaking Hyundai Santa Fe. God darn, man, it's crazy. But hey, Singapore, you probably can get a loan. In Vietnam, you can't even get a loan. If you even if I think if you a loan in Vietnam for cars like 20%, like why would you get a 20% loan on a? That's crazy. But yeah, it's like a credit card loan. But yeah, but that is it for today, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Okay, see you guys tomorrow.